WeChat judge block US attempt to ban download of Chinese app. A judge has blocked a US government attempt to ban the Chinese messaging and payment app WeChat. US Judge Laurel Baylor said the ban raised serious questions related to the Constitution's first guaranteeing free speech. The Department of Commerce had announced a bar on WeChat appearing in US App Store from Sunday, effectively shutting it down. The Trump administration has alleged in threatened national security. It says it could pass user data to the Chinese government. Both WeChat and China have strongly denied the claim. Tencent, that on WeChat, had previously described the US ban as unfortunate. The ruling comes just after TikTok, which was also named in the Department of Commerce order, reached a deal from US from Oracle and Voltron to hopefully allow them to keep operating. What happened is quote, the Justice Department asked for the order not to be blocked after a group of WeChat users filed a lawsuit challenging it. The department agreed it would determination of how best to address threats to national security. However, Judge Baylor, sitting in San Francisco, noted that while the general aberration about the threat to national security related to China regarding technology and mobile technology is considerable, the specific evidence about WeChat is modest. Why does the US want to apps banned? The US Department of Commerce Secretary Rose said in a statement that the decision to block the app was taken to combat China's malicious collection of American citizen personal data.